Welcome to my channel. After you insert your drawing, add layer, hide the drawing layer. Select bucket tool to fill the canvas with all black. Adjust its opacity to 30 to 50%. Add a new layer, set it to overlay. Pick this color. Use bucket tool to fill the canvas with color blue. Lower the opacity to 20% below. In this drawing I set it to 10%. This technique makes your glow art more aesthetic. Add another layer, set it to add. We will paint lightings in this layer. Pick color blue. Use pen fade. Always turn on the force fade. Now, let's imagine that the light comes from here, so we will paint the lightings in this areas, using pen fade. Let's add highlights on his lips. Pick color white and lower the opacity of the brush, then adjust the size of the brush and apply it on his lips. Last step, go to brush tab and look for light for brush. We'll use it as our light source. Pick color white. Add another layer, set it to add. Place it below the lightings layer. Pick color blue, use airbrush normal. Apply it on this area to make it glow. And we're done. I hope it'll help you to make simple glow art.